Hello everyone, Big Friendly Wargame here again, doing another video for my how I paint or how to paint models. So last episode I showed you how I have my paint station set up, how it's nice to have a clear space for a dedicated painting space, how to have brushes, a palette, your paints and your models ready to go. In this video I'm going to show you how I base coat certain colours onto a model. And it is going to be this Genestealer, the guy that I undercoated in the first video. He's on one of these Citadel painting handles because I've taken him off the Blue Tax stand. I've got 5 paints out. Now the colours that I paint my Tyranids are Screamer Pink, nice pink colour. Now that's a layer paint, so it's not, it's actually a base paint. I thought it was a layer paint, but anyway. I paint them Cantor Blue, Xandri Dust, and what I won't be using on this model in fact is Corn Red, but I use them, you'll see further down the line. So this is just going to be a single model. The next video will be how to batch paint the same colours, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to set my camera up so you can actually see me painting. It'll probably be time lapsed, so I'll time it as well, so you won't see me like painting for an hour or so, anything like that. I will actually time it and then I'll speed the video up and see how it goes. So I'm going to set the camera up now and we'll get going. Right, so I'm going to just start painting this guy. Now the good thing about base coats is you can actually be messy with it. So my first one is Screamer Pink. Like that. Give it a good shake. You've got to shake your pots, always shake your pots. And this is a brand new pot, so it should be quite good. Bit of water, put some on the palette, put plenty on the palette. And then a bit more water just to thin it down. And grab your nice decent sized brush and off you go, base coating. So clean my brush off, and as you can see, well, you can't see, all the bits that I wanted to be painted Screamer Pink have been painted Screamer Pink. Now it's going to take me take it a moment to dry, so I will stop the camera and come back when it's dry. Right, so I have waited about 5 minutes. The model's more or less dry now. There's a few little wet bits still on it, but as you can see the colour's not all that strong, so basically with what I do is give it another coat. And you'll find this with most paints, they work better with a couple of thin layers rather than a thick layer. So I'm going to base coat this again. So I finished the second base colour on this, and the pink is got a nice base on it now. Now what I'm going to do is, what I always do is just clean my palette quickly, and I will show you the model. Now it's always best to do, like I said, it's best to do two thin coats rather than a thick coat. As you'll see, quite a nice strong pink on it now. Show you in the light. Now it's still wet. Let's give it another 5 minutes or so to dry. But yeah, that's the pink base coated. Yeah, it's just showing you how to base coat my miniatures. So what I'm going to do is, off camera, I'm going to base coat the other colours, and I'll come back and show you what it's like when all the colours are base coated. Right, so I've been painting for about 10 minutes. It's not been any much longer than that, and the Genestealer has all his base coats done. So you can see the blue on the carapace, and the like creamy colour on the claws and the sliding talons and his feet. So basically he is fully base coated now. The pink took 2 layers, the blue took 1 layer, and the cream took 2 layers. But yeah, it's only taken me about 10 minutes to get him done. But the downside of this was waiting for different layers to dry in between. So what I'm going to do next is show you what I'm planning to paint next time. So here we are. Next time I'm going to be painting 5 guys. No, not the shop, not the restaurant. 5 termagants. Now this is what is going to be called batch painting. They're all going to be painted the same colours as the Genestealer. So you got the purple, you got the pink and the blue and the bone. They'll also have their weapons will be painted red, but there'll be no downtime in between. So yeah, 5 termagants. Right, so that's base coating a single model. I mean, I know I didn't show you how to do the blues, and I didn't show you the cream colours on camera. That's my Genestealer. Very blurry. Hopefully it's coming out okay. How's that? So that's base colours. That's taken me literally about 10 minutes to do. So like I said, next time I'm going to show you how to base coat 5 models in the set at the same time, which is called batch painting. They're going to be exactly the same colours as this Genestealer is. My whole army is painted like that. It just saves on all the downtime between painting different colours and stuff. But if these videos have been helpful at all to you, give me a like, and feel free to subscribe to my channel. I'm going to carry on doing these videos. We'll have to see stage by stage where they go. But yeah, that's base coating a single model. I hope that's been helpful to you, and I'll see you soon.